and let's get it from the teachers.
Wow, our boys have done us well. Anyway, we saw this coming. They were self-driven, they were disciplined. I mean, this class was the best. We saw this good results coming.
Kwanza tunafuraha sana, vijana walijituma. Movement was by running by them. Na the class discipline ilikuwa huko juu kabisa. Mimi kama Mr. Wambua nimefurahi sana. In fact, hata naenda kufunza hesabu. I feel motivated to teach. Ni kuchapa alliance na Mangu.
I'm just an employee here. Anything concerning results? Ask the principal.
Wanaambari, tusinzoeane. Hii ni kazi yangu na unafaa kuheshimu kazi yangu. Anything about results, go and ask the examination officer, Mr. Kaisali.
No.